How to turn off auto download audio when roaming on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download audio when roaming on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and scroll down until you find when roaming and click audio, turn it off and click OK. Now just go back, and that's how to turn it off, and it's easy of course, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.